Hello, amazing artists. I can draw, cut, and create with shapes.
Are you ready? I'm ready. I am an artist.
I am an artist.
I am creative.
I am creative.
I make mistakes.
I make mistakes.
But mistakes are great.
But mistakes are great.
Because they help us learn.
Because they help us learn.
Last week in art, we created a pattern from side to side. We filled our paper. A pattern repeats. Now take out your patterns and we're going to be drawing on the back. We're going to be drawing shapes today, and not tiny shapes, but just right. So go ahead and draw a circle. A circle is nice and round. If your circle looks more like an oval, that's okay. Just make sure it is the right size, not too small. Next, let's draw a square. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 corners. And like I said, if it turns into a rectangle, that's okay, because we will be drawing those shapes pretty soon. After that, let's try a triangle. Try a triangle. Yep, that's what I said. A triangle has 3 sides. And after that, time for the oval, just like I said. Now, if you drew an oval the first time, now try drawing a circle. And then it's rectangle time. 2 long sides and 2 short sides. And finally, we're going to draw a semicircle or an arc. That means half of a circle. Once you have all those shapes on the back of your pattern, it's time to cut them out. Now wait, what if you don't have your pattern? Uh-oh, you need to make a pattern. That's right. You are going to have to flip your paper over and make a pattern before you cut, because we want to have a pattern design on the front of our shapes. So I'm using my scissors just like I practiced last week. I am making sure my fingers are in the bottom and my thumb is in the top, and I am cutting nice and slow. Little cut, little cut. Now watch when I cut this circle. I am not very good at staying right on the line, but I know that I'm curving as I go around. It's kind of like a shadow cut. And that's okay if you're not right on the line, as long as your shape is round. Save your scraps, put them all to the side, and keep on cutting. Did you also notice that I'm cutting around the shape and then cutting out the shape? That's a lot easier. When you're done cutting out all of your shapes, start arranging them on a new piece of paper. It's like putting together a puzzle, but you are the only one that gets to decide what it's going to look like. Then take your glue stick out or glue bottle, a dot is a lot, and start gluing down your shapes. Think about, what are you making? I'm thinking about a house. I'm thinking about a triangle for the roof. I decided I would like to make a truck, but the wheels were way too big, so I'm going to make my circles smaller. And I'm going to go around and around. Now I've got 2 wheels for a truck. What could these shapes be? My arc for the top of the truck, maybe a little oval sunshine at the top. And I'm going to keep on building and creating. Now, what can you make? If your fingers get sticky, did you see what I did? I rubbed them together, and that gets all the stick off. I am going to use some of my scraps. That's right. Not just the shapes that you used are great, but also are the scraps. You can find some really great things. I just discovered a tree. That'll be great. And I'm going to try to cut out another triangle because I do need a second one. So cut, create, and move around your shapes. And when you've got a picture that you love, 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 then glue it all down and add some details. The details are the special little things that you can add. I'm going to add doors and windows. I'm going to trace around my shapes. I am going to add a little bit of crayon color, but I definitely do not want to cover up my patterns. What can you make with your great shapes? Can you build a tower or a tree house? I can't wait to see.